Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube Studio and finding the video you want to change. Once located, click Edit to enter the video details page. Make sure you have the replacement audio file ready locally or choose a track from YouTube's audio library. You'll need the correct file format, MP3 or WAV, and metadata like title and license info. While still here, confirm the video's visibility and notes about monetization. Because swapping sound can affect claims, so prepare to address content ID matches. Once in the editor, click the audio section and choose Replace Audio or add an additional track. You want to see the waveform to align timing. If uploading, drag in your MP3 or WAV and wait for the file to process. If using YouTube's library, preview and select. Then move and trim the track so dialogue and key visuals sync. Adjust the track volume to balance with original clips, and use split/trimming tools to remove unwanted segments before you finalize the edit. You should preview the entire video carefully and test audio on different devices before saving. Click Save or Publish when satisfied. After publishing, check the Restrictions panel for Content ID claims and address any copyright notifications by replacing the track or using available dispute options. If viewers report sync issues or if the audio looks off, reopen the editor, re-upload the corrected file, and nudge the waveform to resync. This is the single most effective troubleshooting step when timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.